up, chill out. And you know what, guys? Ang bilis talaga ng oras. Alam mo, Aaron. Bro,
bro, maraming salamat. Alam niyo ba ilang beses na ako binati di sa ASAP? Kaya maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Aaron.
ASAP, chill out. Maraming salamat. Yan.
Doon ang bilis na oras, ha? Nawala lang tayo sandali. Siguro sumayaw lang tayo. Sumayaw lang tayo sa bawat prod ng ASAP. Nawala. Tapos na agad yung 4 hours. Well, before we go, guys, may mga messages ba kayong bibigay? Like, for example, to the Jamly fans out there?
Yes.
Kiss naman. Joke lang.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for voting for us and keeping us in the house.
Yeah.
And for supporting. Thank you so much. We love you, Chuba Chuchu.
Yeah. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa Tri-Van. So, give me a message to your fans. What do you want to say?
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for supporting us. Ano po?
Accent na naman.
May accent may ba?
Konti. Okay lang.
Stick bro, wag kang mag-alala. Okay yan.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa Kim Bang. Hey, what's your message to your fans out there?
Sobrang maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
When you eat beef, you have to eat vegetable also.
Yeah.
What's up with meat and vegetables?
Meat and vegetable?
Yeah. What's up with that one?
Because my grandfather, she ate vegetable.
He.
Oh my God.
He ate vegetable.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Okay. Next.
Next. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ayan, dito naman tayo.
Last but not the least, of course.
Brett C, message to your fans.
I'm sorry.
Thank you so much for supporting us.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank
Bro, Ayan, Chong.
Alright, thank you so much. Again, guys, palapakan natin ng PBB Teen Clash of 2010.
Yes.
And kasama natin ngayon ulit si Melissa Ricks with Kim Shu.
Salamat.
And of course, Sydney.
Thank you so much for watching ASAP XV.
And.
And then lastly, chat with the PBB Teen Big Six on July 8. What's 8 Takalo? 8. Balo. 3 p.m. Your turn.
Log on to chat.abs-cbn.com.
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, PBB Clash of
2010. Okay, next week, mas madaming kantahan, kwentuhan at freebies too. At nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng bumati sa akin. Maraming salamat. Ate Kate and Ate Smile of Talent Center, maraming salamat. I love you.
Dapat every Sunday tuwing 11 ng umaga, mag-logan na kayo dito.
Of course, ASAP.abs-cbn.com/chat. And before we go, 5 July 14 na po. 5 storya, 5 kasalanan, 5 directors, 5 pagbabayaran, 3 batang nakubad. 3 batang nakubad. So, thank you so much. And guys, kita-kita tayo ulit. Dito lang sa The Get Your Boy Show. Also known as